What if I told you that Google Chrome, the popular browser that everybody uses, yes, every single day, they have quietly downloaded and run 4 gigabytes in size a Gemini AI model on your device? So, not a tiny update or a small browser patch. A file that is 4 gigabytes in size and it's sitting right on your system drive. And the fact is, 4 gigabytes is very often the size of entire operating system, yes? But that's not even the most controversial part, because the most controversial part is that they've been doing it for nearly a year without your knowledge or even a little pop-up that would say, hey, are you okay to update Chrome? So that's what it is. Even if users were never asked, Google just decided that they will run local AI model called Gemini Nano, by the way, and they didn't even bother to ask a permission. So now I'm going to show you exactly what they put on your device, why people are furious about it, no surprise, and most importantly, how to remove it from your system. And by the way, I will show you what it looks like on Windows, but bear in mind that macOS and even Linux, they are all affected because it's not related to operating system, but to the Chrome browser itself. So as I said, it was already a year ago that people realized that if you go to File Explorer, to the App Data folder is hidden, by the way. The easiest way to get there is by clicking %% and then in the middle say local app data and then / Google. Or you can enable view so you can see hidden folders, because as I said, this app data folder is hidden, so you will not normally see it. But now here I go to Chrome and user data. And you can see my folders. It's on device head suggested model refers to AI model, optimization guide also model, which is also related to AI model, but you can also find one called opt guide on device model. And I don't have it here because I just installed this Windows and the Google Chrome. But if you are running older Chrome version, this folder will already be here. And if you are running newest model, it's a little bit better, I would say, because this is a feature where a toggle was added. Let me explain what I mean. If you go to Google Chrome, you have those settings, yes? And now they don't make it easy, because that depends on the version of the Chrome. You might have a button here called AI Innovations. That would be the previous version. But you might have older version of Google Chrome which won't have AI Innovations and nothing that would suggest AI models running on your system in the System tab. But in the newest Chrome, if you go to the System, you will see a toggle. So in this newest Chrome, you would do it yourself, but in the previous versions of Chrome, your browser starts running local AI model on your PC or laptop. And you might think, okay, let's go to that user data and remove that opt guide on device model, yes? No, that's not the solution. If you remove that folder, it will reappear a minute later. The Google will re-download all the files that it needs to run that local LLM. So what you have to do instead, you have to go to the Chrome, but not to the settings. You have to find so-called flags. And then you search for a flag. You can search for optimization. And you can see the flag is called enables optimization guide on device. And it says clearly, enables the optimization guide to execute models, which means AI models, on the device, which means local models can run directly on my device. And it's set to default. So what you want to do is you want to disable that. As you can see, this will take effect when you next relaunch the Chrome. But what you might also want to do, you might want to find optimization. And I can see I don't have this flag here, but the flag is called Page Image Service Optimization Guide Salient Images. If you have that, you might want to disable that one too. Plus, if you have that AI Innovations button in the settings menu, you want to disable that one too. And only then you relaunch your Chrome. And these files should be now gone. That 4 gigabytes of LLM parameters that are being downloaded by Chrome, they should be gone now. But I'm really not happy that they do it this way. You know, they decided that they can run local LLM, kind of like somebody decided they want to run OpenClaw on your device. And they won't even tell you. They kind of assume it's okay. So I think it's the best solution is to just go to Control Panel, Programs and Features, Google Chrome, and install. Thank you. I'm not interested in your product anymore. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.